Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So this is part 4 of the MCQ series on my channel for all sciences, biology, chemistry, and physics. So if you haven't watched part 1, part 2, and part 3, I highly suggest you do so before watching this one. And I've taken some of the viewers' suggestions and added Hindi translations. So I hope this will help you understand the content a little bit better. So without further ado, let's start on with the video. Question number 71. Solar system model is related to: is it A. Rutherford, B. J.J. Thomson, C. Erwin Schrödinger, or D. Niels Bohr? So which of the following names is related to the solar system model? And the answer is A. Ernst Rutherford proposed that an atom is composed of empty spaces, mostly with electrons orbiting in a set direction. And this is known as the Rutherford theory. Moving on to question number 72. Which metal is used to pack medicines? Is it A. tin, B. iron, C. copper, or D. aluminum? So which of the following elements is used to package medicines? And the answer is D. Aluminium. Aluminium is used to package medicines as it preserves the medication for longer and acts as a good barrier to avoid moisture and oxygen to seep in. Question number 73. Single nonmetal which is preserved in cold water. Is it A. phosphorus, B. iodine, C. bromine, or D. sodium? So which of these nonmetals is used to preserve in cold water? And the answer is A. phosphorus. Phosphorus is used because it's a highly reactive nonmetal and it reacts vigorously when exposed to air. Therefore, it is preserved in cold water. Question number 74. Which is used as a bulletproof protection material? Is it A. polyvinyl, B. polycarbonate, C. polyethylene, or D. Teflon? So which of these is a bulletproof material? And the answer is B. Polycarbonate is used as a bulletproof material, and it is also known as the thinnest ballistic protection. Moving on. Question number 75. The electronic configuration of an element is 285. So what is the name of that element? Is it A. chlorine, B. magnesium, C. phosphorus, or D. sulfur? So which of these following elements has an electronic configuration of 285? And the answer is C. phosphorus. Phosphorus has the atomic number of 15, which if you add these following numbers, you would also get 15. So that is another trick to find out the element. Moving on to question number 76. Acid used to make lead batteries. Is it A. sulfuric acid, or B. phosphoric acid, C. nitric acid, or D. none of the above? So which acid is used to make lead batteries? And the answer is A. sulfuric acid is used to make lead batteries. And sulfuric acid is also known as the oil of vitriol. So that's an important fact to remember. Question number 77. Which of the following acid helps in digestion of food? Is it A. sulfuric acid, B. nitric acid, C. hydrochloric acid, or D. none of the above? So which of the following acid helps in the process of digestion? And the correct answer is C. hydrochloric acid helps in digestion as it breaks down food and digestive enzymes, more specifically splitting up the protein and digesting it in the stomach. Question number 78. Which gas is main component of cigarette smoke? Is it A, sulfur dioxide, B, carbon monoxide, C, carbon dioxide, or D, nitrite? So which of these gases is the main component of cigarette smoke? And the answer is B, carbon monoxide is the main component of cigarette smoke. So remember that. Question number 79. Which rays are related to water purification? Is it A, beta rays, B, alpha rays, C, gamma rays, or D, UV rays? So which of these rays is related to water purification? And the answer is D, UV rays. UV rays are related to water purification as it kills harmful bacteria, thus disinfecting the water from any pathogens that may be present. Question number 80. Which of the following is used as a primer? So termite protection on wooden furniture. Is it A, zinc chloride, B, calcium chloride, C, potassium chloride, or D, zinc oxide? So which of the following is used as a primer on wooden furniture? So the correct answer is zinc chloride. Zinc chloride is used as a wood preservative that helps with termite elimination. So that's also a very important question that may come up. Question number 81. Which of the following acid is responsible for arthritis problems? Is it A, folic acid, B, carbonic acid, C, uric acid, or D, none of the above? So which of the following acid is responsible for arthritis problems? And the answer is C, uric acid. The presence of too much uric acid in blood creates gout, which is a type of arthritis that affects the joints. Question number 82. Which of the following is the largest mammal? Is it a whale, an elephant, a dinosaur, or a rhinoceros? So here the correct answer is A, whale. Whale is the largest mammal. But if the question was which of the following is the largest land mammal, then the answer would have been B, elephant. Elephant is the largest land mammal. So remember that specification. Question number 83. Aflatoxins are produced by, is it A, algae, B, bacteria, C, virus, or D, fungi? So the correct answer here is D, fungi. Aflatoxins are produced by fungi. Question number 84. Five kingdom classification was given by, was it A, Haeckel, B, Whittaker, C, Linnaeus, or D, Copeland? So who among the following option gave the classification of the five kingdoms? And the right answer is B. Whittaker was the one who proposed dividing living things into animal, plant, fungi, protist, and monera. Moving on to question number 85. Which of the following is airborne disease? Is it A, typhoid, B, measles, C, pink eye, or D, none of the above? So the correct answer is B. Measles is an airborne disease out of these options. Question number 86. In which part of the body does the digestion of protein start? Is it A, intestine, B, stomach, C, mouth, or D, duodenum? So the correct answer here is B, stomach. The acidic environment facilitates protein denaturization. And remember, if a question asks where does the digestion of lipid and carbohydrates start, that would be C, mouth. Moving on to question number 87. Which of the following has alpha-carotene as protein? So is it A, skin, B, blood, C, wool, or D, eggs? So the correct answer here is C, wool. Wool has a protein of alpha keratin. Question number 88. How many bones does a newly born human baby have? Is it A, 206, B, 300, C, 250, or D, 225? So how many bones does a newly born human baby have? And the correct answer here is B, 300. A newly born baby has 300. And slowly, with growth, the bones fuse together, resulting in 206 bones in adulthood. Question number 89. Blue-green algae are included in the group of, is it A, protozoa, B, fungi, C, eubacteria, or D, cyanobacteria? So the correct answer here is D, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, if you're familiar with Greek, you would know that cyno means blue. So that could be another way to identify which group blue and green algae belong to. Question number 90. Red rot is a disease of which of the following plant? Is it A, wheat, B, paddy, C, sugarcane, or D, mustard? So red rot is a disease of sugarcane, and this disease directly affects sugar production. Question number 91. The red, orange, and yellow color of leaf is due to, is it A, tannins, is it A, tannins, B, lignans, C, aldehyde, or D, carotenoid? And the correct answer here is D, carotenoid. The red, orange, and yellow color of the leaf is due to carotenoid. Question number 92. Stone cancer occurs due to, is it A, global warming, B, radioactivity, C, acid rain, or D, none of the above? So stone cancer occurs due to acid rain. C is the correct answer. And remember, stone cancer is the phenomenon which is marked by discoloration. And one example you might be familiar with is the blackening and the yellowing on the Taj Mahal. So remember, it's because of acid rain. Question number 93. Which of the following is a true fish? Is it A, silverfish, B, dogfish, C, starfish, or D, shellfish? So which of them is a true fish? And the correct answer is B. Dogfish is a true fish because it has a backbone, whereas silverfish, starfish, and shellfish are invertebrates. Question number 94. Which of the following is the longest cell in the human body? Is it A, nerve cell, B, live cell, C, muscle cell, or D, none of the above? So which of them is the longest cell in the human body? And the answer is A, nerve cell. Nerve cell or neurons can be up to 3 feet long. Question number 95. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? Now this is a very relevant question. So is it A, liver, B, lung, C, heart, or D, spleen? So the correct answer here is B, lung. COVID-19 affects the lung the most, as the common symptom of COVID is SOB, also known as shortness of breath, and it is affected because the lung gets inflamed. Question number 97. Which of the following is the unit of plane angle? Is it A, degrees Celsius, B, radian, C, steradian, or D, none of the above? So the right answer here is B, radian. The unit of plane angle is radian. Question number 97. 1 fathom is equal to, now remember, fathom is a unit of length used specially in measuring depth of water. So 1 fathom is equal to A, 6 meters, B, 6 feet, C, 100 centimeters, or D, 60 feet. So here the correct answer is B, 6 feet. 1 fathom is equal to 6 feet. Question number 98. Which of the following devices is used to measure atmospheric humidity? Is it A, thermometer, B, hygrometer, C, hydrometer, or D, caloric meter? So the correct answer here is B, hygrometer is used to measure atmospheric humidity. Question number 99. Which of the following is the SI unit of electric conductance? Is it A, ohm, B, mho, C, ampere, or D, coulomb? So the correct answer here is B, mho. Mho is the SI unit of electric conductance. Lastly, question number 100. The energy posed by an oscillating pendulum of a clock is it A, kinetic energy, B, potential energy, C, mechanical energy, or D, none of the above? So the correct answer here is C, mechanical energy. The energy possessed by an oscillating pendulum of a clock is mechanical energy. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys liked part 4 of the MCQ series of all sciences, biology, chemistry, and physics. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below which questions you got right and which questions you got wrong. Share it with your friends, classmates, family, and see how they do with this MCQ. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. So I'll see you guys in part 5 of this series. Until then, bye-bye.